Hello, it's Miss White here, and we're going to continue our review of the early phonics lessons. So the first day we reviewed all of our CVC words with the short vowels and slides and nonsense words, and then yesterday we looked at L blends and R blends, and today we're going to look at the S blends and 2 extra blends. Okay? So first, let's do a little bit of a review on our R blends and L blends, okay? So let's read these words. I want you to try to read these words now. Okay, this word is brag. And how did I know to say a B there? And then we have crab. Same thing there. My mouth starts in a straight line. Flop. You know, the same rule works with the P too, right? The line is first with a P, P, and then, so that's flop, and the last one is blog. All right, so we have mark our blends with an arc because it's a unit, and we mark our vowels with an X. Okay, so our S blends are here. We have SC, SK, SL, SM, SN, SP, ST, and SW. I want to go real quick and just talk about SC and SK. Now, remember that C and K make the same sound. So, how am I going to know whether I'm going to use SC or SK? I want you to give that a little bit of thought, okay? We're going to look at some of our words. Who knows the answer? I bet some of you do. Okay, so we mark our S blends with an R just like we do our other blends because they stay together as a unit. Okay, so here we have a slide. We mark the blend SK and the I says I, so we say skip. And for the word we say skip, skip, okay? Oh, and that one uses SK. So why does it use SK? Because we have the vowel I, and it's the S blends follow the CK rule. So if we have an I or an E, we have SK. If we have an A, O, or U, we use an SC. Okay, so let's read these slides and blends. Okay, ready? SCA says scat. So this word is scat, right? SNA says snap, and SNAP says snap. All right, this one we just did skip. All right, this one SPE says spe, and SPED says sped. I sped down the driveway. All right, SLO says slaw, and SLOT says slot. I put the male in the slot. All right, the next one is STO, stop, STOP, stop. We stop at the stop sign. SMU says smuh, or we can act like we're getting punched in the stomach, and SMUG, smug. He gave a smug look when he stole my lunch. Okay, and then we have SWI, swim, and SWIM, swim. I hope you get to go for a swim this weekend. Okay, now sometimes we talked yesterday about what a blend is, and a blend is when we have 2 letters together or more than one letter together, and they keep their same sounds, kind of like salt and pepper. When you put salt and pepper on your food, you can still taste the salt, and you can still taste the pepper. And blends have to be able to begin a word, but a blend can also end a word. In this word, we have a blend at the end of the word. Okay, BE says be, and then we have the ST blends best, best. All right, and then here we have a blend at the beginning and the end of the word. So CR, we mark that, then we mark our I, it says I, and then we have SP at the end, right? So this word is crisp, crisp. The potato chips are very crisp. Okay, and then with our S blends, we also have some 3-letter S blends. And the same thing works with the 3-letter blends. You can still hear all 3 sounds. you're going to hear in SCR, you're going to hear S, the C, and the R. So SCRA says scrap, and SCRAP says scrap. Okay? And the marks aren't in exactly the right spot here. So we've got some slides here and some words. So let's read the slides first. First slide is scrap. The next one is sprit. And then we have stra, S-T-R-A, stra. S-P-L-I says split. And S-Q-I says squid. Okay, remember QU says what? All right, so let's see, we've got some words. So we have scrap, scrap, sprig, sprig. Then we have split, split up here. And then we have squid, squid. The squid lives in the ocean. Then we have strap, strap. Pull your strap up around your seatbelt. Okay, so we have some S-blends to read here. So let's read the slides first. Why don't you read them with me? Sky, ski, slaw, sma, sna, spi, sta, swit. Let's go back to these two at the beginning. Why did I use SC here? Because of the vowel A. And why did I use SK here? Because of the vowel I. Good. Okay, so I want you to read, not the first line, but the second line. You read the second line of words. Okay, now read them again with me, and let's see if we got them right. All right, this is a nonsense word. How do we know? It has the asterisk. Good. Skag, skin, slip, smog, snip, spot, stub, swig. Okay, then we have some three-letter S blends to read on the next line. So let's read the slides together. SCRU says scruh, sprit, stra, spla, squid. All right, you read the words. Okay, let's read them together. Scrub, sprig, strap, splat, squid. Okay, let's read one sentence at the bottom. We're gonna read the first one. I'll read it first, you echo me, okay? A squid can swim. Your turn. One more time. A squid can swim. What can a squid do? Okay. All right, now we're going to look at our two extra blends, and actually we're going to kind of talk about a third one. Okay, so our two extra blends are TW and DW, and they aren't in a lot of words, but we want to go ahead and talk about them right now. So with the slides, we have twi and dwa. They keep their same sound. You can still hear the T and the W, twi, dwa. All right, so we have some words here. Twin, twist. Ooh, there's a blend at the end there. Then we have two nonsense words over here with the DW. Dwub and dwib. Those are fun to say. Let's say those again. Dwub and dwib. Okay, so let's read. I will read the sentence, you echo me. Which twin can twist the lid? Your turn. Which twin can twist the lid? Your turn. Okay, who is trying to twist the lid? What are the twins trying to do? All right, great job. So you have an activity to do, and you have some words where you have to find. If you use the SC or SK, now how are we going to know? SC goes with A, O, and U. SK goes with I and E. And then you have to change some words, just like you did yesterday. And then I have some words for you to read. Okay, so do some really good reading, and I'll see you guys next time.